Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to set up the gesture controls on your Android and you're looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just get started with the process. You can start by opening up the settings application for that. And once you open up your settings app on your phone, you can go over and find your navigation settings. Usually you can find system navigation, you can directly search for it. And let's directly type in navigation and look out for navigation gestures. Usually you can find the option for navigation bar on the display as well. You can tap on it, and once you tap on display, you just need to go over and look out for navigation bar and tap on it. After you tap on it, here you'll be finding two options of buttons and swipe gestures. So you just need to go over and select this option and set up the gesture controls here, which is gesture hint. So you need to find this option and you just need to turn this option on right here. So you can turn this option on for gesture hint, and that should do it. You need to select the second option for swipe gestures, and you can turn this gesture hints option. And once you do so, you can swipe up quickly from the bottom edge of your screen and hold your finger briefly. And once you do so, you can just go over and swipe in from the left or right or to the top of the screen, and that should remove the application from your device, and that should do it. So that's it everybody. If you also want to set up gesture controls on Android, this is a method you can follow, pretty quick and easy. You can just go over and follow it up. You can even add up third-party applications if you do not have more complex actions. But that's it. You may follow the simple method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.